One never to pass up a good deal, and always needing more garage storage. Got me a pair of these Yukon toolboxes the other day at the Home Depot on sale. This one brand new out of the box. This one had a minor incident with a forklift. Things are a little wavy. Had to straighten it out, but it was a whole bunch cheaper than full price. Plus these were on sale. Lo and behold, get them home. And I want to put them side by side here under my work light so I can use the workbench on them. This one's a 1/2 inch shorter than that one. So what do? Apparently it was a model change. We got us a wheel. We walk over here to our handy dandy mill, and we make us 1 inch spacers, or 1/2 inch spacers rather. Bolt this guy. Have a piece of this stuff. Through there, bolt her to the toolbox. Now they're the same height. Why are they different heights? I don't know. Somehow this one ended up with fancy chrome wheels, where the old style over here has just a plain flat wheel. I don't know. Making do with what we got, building what we can. All right, later guys.